Hi everyone, my name is Stella. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are back with another skincare video, and I'm just gonna be like updating you guys on how I make my dandelion greens. And if you haven't heard of dandelion greens, I live by this, okay? This is like my second video I've made about it, and let me just tell you guys like why I live by this. First of all, it absolutely healed my acne, and I first learned about it with like my mom's coworker's daughter. She had really bad hormonal cystic acne, and it was very fungal and like all over her cheeks and her forehead. And after drinking this juice for around like 2 to 3 months, her acne like healed. Her skin was flawless. And the same thing happened to me. Like, this was back during quarantine. And I recently kind of like had my second puberty, and I started breaking out again, and I started picking back dandelion greens, and my skin started to clear up so much. I still have acne scars currently, but I definitely will like update you guys more on how my skin will look further on drinking more. So how dandelion greens help with your skin is that they protect you from skin damage such as sun damage, aging, and acne. So with acne, dandelion greens help detox and promote healthy liver, and your liver is like the main root cause for like fungal acne, hormonal acne, cystic acne. And so if you detox it off, obviously like you're gonna have a healthy liver, which promotes healthy skin and glowy skin. There's also other benefits to dandelion greens, such as antioxidants and other nutritious factors. Dandelion greens also help with inflammation. I noticed that once I started drinking it again, I have like really inflamed skin, and my acne is always super red. So when I started drinking it again, my acne definitely was less red and inflamed. If you have high blood pressure, I really recommend dandelion greens because it does lower your blood pressure. One thing, like a side effect that you guys should note, that you guys should never drink it on an empty stomach, because it does like lower your blood pressure. If you do drink it on an empty stomach, it can lower it and make you guys feel dizzy. It's happened to me before, and I live, I learn, and I'm telling you guys not to do it. So I am going to be showing you guys how I make my dandelion greens. So first I'm going to wash it. This is what the dandelion greens look like. You can get this at your like local grocery store. I got this at Ralph's, or Vons has it too. I'm not sure where you can get this in Europe because I don't live in Europe. But basically I'm just gonna cut off like these ends first, and then there's like little like bad plants that I'm probably gonna cut out too, and then I'm gonna do like 4 to 3 washes of water and we're good. So I finally finished washing my greens. I did like 3 buckets of water, but I think the most tedious part of this juice is just washing it. But you guys have to make sure to wash it really well because it gets bad really easy. So how I'm gonna do this, I usually just like estimate everything. I have no precise measurement for you guys, so I usually just do 1 handful of this batch and I just stuff it into the blender. I'm currently using this Blendtec one. This is a really old like blender of mine, but I'm sure you guys can use like any. I'm pretty sure you guys can use like a juicer too. I'm gonna also estimate the water as well. So I usually, there's like little markings right here, and I go up to like here, this little indentation right here. You guys feel free to change like how much water you want to put in. The more water you put in, like the more diluted the greens are, and you can taste less of the greens, and then the less water you put in, the more of the greens that you can taste. And put her on the blender, and we're gonna start blending. You are basically gonna blend it until it looks like smooth. So after you blend it, we're gonna strain it now. So I have my juice, my strainer, and a container. You wanna make sure to strain your juices, or else like It's gonna taste really bad if you don't strain it, guys. And you're gonna be also like getting all of this leafy stuff in. And I'm gonna use a spoon to press down and get all the juice out. You are ready to go. This is how much juice I got for half a batch. So I would assume that like a full batch would be this much. I usually like to blend like a whole week's worth of dandelion green juice so I can like drink it throughout the whole week. And I drank 2 like really tall cups of dandelion green juice like every day. I use like those venti Starbucks cups and I drink it twice a day. It does taste like a green juice, but I prefer it to be cold. Then it doesn't taste that bad. Even if you drink it like room temperature, I think it's fine. Feel free to add some sort of sweetener like honey. And yeah guys, that's basically it. My little secret ingredient to getting clear skin. I hope you guys enjoyed. I wish you guys luck on your journey to clear skin. Feel free to DM me results. I would love to see them. And yeah.